This is our 2022 Sprinter mobile home. It's a 4x4 Waratah designed by Horizon. It's a dual wheel and it's a 519. I'll take you inside and show you the improvements we've made across the 2 years or so we've had it and been travelling in it. Inside the door we have racks for our everyday slip-on, slip-off shoes. Above the driver's and passenger seats we've put in an overhead shelf. Currently that's also for shoes and where we put the privacy screen. And underneath here is a clothesline. This clothesline has got 3 racks and it's been built onto the handrail where you would normally climb in and out. This shelf also has a rack. It's where we can hang towels. While I'm up the front here, where the holders here in the Mercedes is quite small. So these are Yeti coffee cups that fit nicely into the holder. We have our names and what kind of coffee we have. So when we're on the road we can order easily. And these mugs fit into the other coffee cup. And you can see they hold all sorts of things from sunglasses to the CB radio clip, useful additions. Let's train the seats. This moves around. It's a Bushman 20 litre fridge, our Brent's fridge. Sometimes it lives there, other times it lives under the table here. Up the top, hat racks, hat clips, magnetic clips on the hats that help keep them in the one place, so they clip on there. A bit hard to do one-handed. In these upper cupboards, these are what we refer to as our coat cupboard. These are racks to expandable elastic that you can get from a sailing shop that prevent cargo holes, I think they're called, things falling out. We have several of these around. This is a sort of macrame-ish basket that's fixed at 2 ends under the cupboard. This one has fruit in it, and I have another one up the back that has vegetables. These towel rails we have under all the cupboards, used for all sorts of things. You see this one actually has a space for a cask of wine, currently empty because it's too hot where we are. The paper towel roll hangs here, and this conglomeration over here is an IKEA product. It has all sorts of things in it. It's the equivalent of the bottom drawer in a kitchen. So things like our insect sprays and things are in here. We don't go anywhere without lots of these bulldog clips because they're used for, all sorts of things along the way. Here's a magnetic thermometer. It's an indoor-outdoor. You can see at the moment the temperature inside and outside is about the same. Down in this little cupboard here, very hard to see, we've got containers where we can keep our spirits nice and safe from being broken. Moving around now, moving into the bathroom. You can see down here we have a fusion lock suction toilet roll holder. Very hard to see, but around that corner is another fusion lock hook to hang towels on. Another fusion lock towel rail here on the ceiling with what's called an all smalls plastic adhesion to it, where you can stick things in between to hang your undies. In the kitchen, we have a collapsible rubbish bin. It hangs on the cupboard here. There's stuff in it, so it's not going to collapse. Hangs on the cupboard where I keep all the sauces up the top. Mirror there. Another additional hook here behind the TV for the oven mitts. These Hessian bags, calico bags, no, they're canvas, came from IKEA. They keep all sorts of things. This one happens to have avocados in it. Here's another one of my macrame. Well, this one's actually not. This one's an elasticated one that has potatoes and sweet potatoes in it. Swinging round to the other side, to the foot of the bed. Here we've got 2 more towel rails at the end of the bed, another elasticized rack under the foot of the bed cupboard. In the control panel up here, we've added some electrics, easy access to our Starlink. Starlink's a 12 volt Starlink, so we don't need any inverter. Along here, again, above the beds, single beds, more towel rails with canvas hanging bags, Sirocco fans. Again, across the back, I've added curtains to the curtain rail there, because we often sleep with the back windows, back barn doors open. The curtains can pull across as privacy curtains. The window above, we've added mirrors, and this side has Sirocco fans and curtain rods also. Continuing inside but outside, on the inside of the barn doors at the back, we have these elasticated Velcro fixed, again, cargo holding devices. Sorry about the quick flip around. Same on the other side, very convenient for small, lightweight things. Still inside, but on the outer end we've put handles, several handles, so that when we need to climb, another one here, put here, and another one right at the top on the inside, and on the left hand side, so that we can climb up to get these things at the top. In the plumbing tube there, these fishing lines. We often sleep with the back doors open and this fly screen intact.
Well, I hope this little tour has been useful to those with a Sprinter long wheelbase high roof like ours. We've done other things to the outside, but maybe I'll make another video about that sometime. Horizon build, would thoroughly recommend. Very strong and sturdy, and no more than a screw has come loose. Eli is not normally as dirty as this. We're camped at Karumba in the Gulf. He needs a clean.
Been through it all. Now it's time to go. The road is calling, but I'll miss you so. The laughter we shared, the moments we made, I'll carry